Alright, we got this body line lined back up as good as we could get it, basically. Cut all that gobblegum stuff out of it. Had my buddy welded up right. This is the crap that was in there. It's like 3 layers. So it's got a new striker. Got that welded up. That closes. I fixed the shifter where it don't have all that slop in it anymore. I was trying to figure out your turn signals. They all work. Ain't figured that out yet. Brakes work. Posi 373s. All new brakes, springs, pads, everything in the brakes is brand new on the back. Rebuilt the carburetor. Put a new distributor in it. What else? I don't know, I'm missing something. I swapped it. We added some ground wire to the back of this head. Put a bigger battery in it that I had sitting here because the other battery wasn't big enough. Still need to upgrade this alternator. Try to sell this one or something and get like a 100 amp alternator. This is probably like maybe a 50. As soon as you turn them electric fans on, your voltage drops to like 1 volt. So need to get a higher output alternator on there. A 750 double pumper would probably really wake this thing up. So we got basically a double pumper. We'll have an accelerator pump like this right here on the back also, and then we can put jets in the back, or you could just put a metering block in the middle like what's right here in the back to where we can put jets in the back of it. Because right now I can't touch the jet. There's no way to change the jets on the back besides drilling it out. So it's got 70s in the fronts and 55s in the back is what it's set at from the factory on the back side. It had 66s in the front. We went to 70s. Got the vacuum advance, timing set, rear end rebuilt. Alright, I think I'm gonna go ahead and change the oil for you because this carburetor was leaking fuel out of this back bowl. It was overflowing at idle, and that's why you was getting that little puff of black smoke at idle and fouling out the spark plugs and getting fuel in the oil, basically diluting it, which makes you start losing oil pressure quickly, and it's not good for anything really. So yeah, I'm gonna get this thing up, change the oil, and just do a quick scan underneath it, and it should be ready to go.